So in Corel Draw, if you were to go around onto the menus, then you can see that there are certain names for different tools right here. But what you can also do in Corel Draw is go ahead and change the menu captions as you like. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto tools, then you need to go around over here onto options right here, and then go around onto customization right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that there are the commands right here that you have just like this. And if I were to go around onto certain commands, let's say for example, if I were to go around over here onto this particular command right here, then I can simply go around and change around the caption for it. So let's just go around onto the file menu, let's say for example right here, and you can see that there's close right here just like this. If I were to go around over here and in caption, if I were to just type in exit instead of close right here and press OK, then go around over here, you can see that it says exit now right here just like this. Similarly, you can go ahead and change around the caption for other menu items as well. So you can go around onto customize right here. So let's just go around onto the file menu right here just like this, and then you can see that file is an option. So let's just go around over here, and I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say for example, data right here just like this. Go ahead and press OK, and then you can see that the name has been changed to data right here instead of file. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the menu captions right here. So if I were to go around over here onto option right here, onto customization right here just like this, then you can see that this is what you have. But apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the icon as well. So for that, if I were to go around onto browse right here, then you can also go ahead and select out an icon file that you like. For example, over here, you can see that in my desktop, I got this icon right here. So if I were to go ahead and open it right here, then what happens is that this icon is being replaced right here just like this, as you can see. So you can go ahead right here, and then you will be able to see the same icons used right there. So that is how you can actually go ahead and then go ahead and change around menu captions and icons inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.